What's up, everybody? Welcome to Blazon Dude. Today we're gonna do something really quick, and we're gonna try to put the Xbox 360, the Xbox 360 wire controller on my phone. But first, we gotta take all the pieces off. Hear me? We gotta take all of them off. I'm gonna take this thing off. We gotta take. Oh, dang! It's rough. Right? Oh. No. We gotta take this thing off. Let's take. Dude, it's gonna be hard. No, I got it. I think you gotta put your... But you don't have to do this. If you did this before, guys, you can do it. Alright, we're gonna take all the stuff. Alright, done. We're gonna put these away. Oh, I'm wearing my sweater. Should take it off when I'm gonna make this video. Alright, where's the USB? Oh, there it is. Couldn't see right. Alright, this is how you go. You put this the USB cable into the Xbox 360 wire. Then connect it with the Galaxy 7. And watch this. Dang it. It's in this one. It's this one. You see that blue thing? Alright. It doesn't work for games, but it only works on this game I bought. See? It only works, see? I need to put the cameras somewhere you guys can see. I gotta go again. Let me take the controller and the phone here. Let me put the camera up here. Okay. I'm gonna put my blanket, my coffee there, then my phone cannot get broken. Okay. See? It works. See? Let's fight. I'm gonna fight an 8-man war. If you have do this, guys, I don't care. If you did it different like this, you can, I don't know. But you can do anything for the, Wait, I'm Triple H. I'm Triple H. There's the animal Tyson. Okay. And I beat these people before. Alright, see you guys later. I'll see you when I make another video. See you guys. I like you. I love you guys.